Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to delve into the topic of mindfulness and meditation and their benefits for mental and emotional well-being. By coaching in positive thinking and self-improvement, we have seen the transformative power of mindfulness and meditation in many people's lives. These practices have been scientifically proven to improve mental and emotional health, and I'm here to share with you why and how. First of all, let's talk about stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are common experiences that many of us face in our daily lives. They can be caused by a variety of factors such as work, relationships, or financial worries. However, mindfulness and meditation can help us to manage stress and anxiety by reducing the impact of these negative emotions. When we are mindful, we focus on the present moment and let go of worries about the past or future. This can help to calm the mind and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Another benefit of mindfulness and meditation is that they can improve our mood and increase feelings of happiness. By focusing on the present moment, we can cultivate feelings of gratitude and joy, and reduce negative emotions like anger and frustration. Research has shown that regular mindfulness and meditation practice can increase the production of positive neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are responsible for regulating our mood and emotions. In addition, mindfulness and meditation can also help to improve our sleep. When we are stressed or anxious, it can be difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. However, mindfulness and meditation can help to calm the mind and promote relaxation, leading to improved sleep quality. This, in turn, can help to boost our immune system and increase our overall sense of well-being. So, how do we get started with mindfulness and meditation? The good news is that it's easy and accessible to everyone. Getting started with mindfulness and meditation can seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and resources, it can be an easy and rewarding experience. Here are some tips to help you get started. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation each day and gradually increase the amount of time you spend practicing. Find a quiet place. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and where you can focus solely on your practice. Get comfortable. Find a comfortable position, whether it's sitting in a chair or lying down, and make sure that you're relaxed and comfortable. Focus on your breath. Begin by focusing on your breath and simply observing the sensation of inhaling and exhaling. Let thoughts come and go. It's normal for thoughts to arise during meditation, but simply acknowledge them and let them pass without getting caught up in them. Use guided meditations. Guided meditations can be a helpful tool for those new to mindfulness and meditation. There are many free guided meditations available online or through meditation apps. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. Mindfulness can be practiced anywhere, at any time. Try incorporating mindfulness into your daily life by paying attention to your breath, observing your surroundings, and being present in the moment. Be patient and persistent. Mindfulness and meditation are skills that take time and practice to develop. Be patient with yourself and remember that progress is not always linear. By incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine, you can experience the many benefits of these practices for your mental and emotional well-being. Start today and see the positive impact it can have on your life. In conclusion, mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for improving mental and emotional well-being. They can help us to manage stress and anxiety, improve our mood, and increase feelings of happiness. I encourage you to give them a try and see the benefits for yourself. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please click on the like and consider subscribing to this channel. We hope you all have a great day ahead. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.